Welcome to Knotty Devil Creations. Today we're turning a hybrid blue blank. And when you get to the end of the video, you'll find out how to enter to win one of the pins that I turn on my channel. So go ahead and watch to the end, enjoy the turning, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way to the end of the video. So I'll talk to you at the end. This is one of my all-time favorite pins I've ever turned. That blank is absolutely gorgeous, and the pin kit just complements it so well. So there's some pictures at the end of this that you'll be able to see. To enter to win the pin, if you go down to the description, my Facebook page will be down there. Click the link, find the poll that I'll be running, and vote on which blank that you would like to see win the poll. And whichever blank it is, we'll be giving that pin away at the end of the video when we make it. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you next time.